Hey everybody, welcome to the Hair Palace Guides. Before I start, I want to again ask you, please let me refer you. Send me an email with your email, your name and your mobile number, and in return I'll send you my mobile number and I will refer you and you get discounts. So I want to begin by saying there's a couple of news bits of news that's coming up. One is, of course, with this lockdown, nobody can do anything. But it's coming up to this is exactly my second year with this new hair, or new life, as I call it. I want to thank everybody who has asked me to refer them. There was a lot of you, and I really, really, really appreciate it. There's actually a few other people who got in contact with me on the daily asking about other questions and stuff like that, and I try and cover them as best I can. So I'm still growing my hair. I'm going to do so until November. I'm going to see how long a year looks after the implant. Two new offices, the Hair Palace have contacted me, said there's two new offices that will be opening. The first one will be London. I'm really sorry, I had coffee. My throat is fucking in. So the first one's in London, and then in future would be hopefully in Dublin, or probably the outskirts of Dublin. I'd love to be a part of that. I think they kind of inquired about it and said, here, listen, would you like to be a part of it? So it could be the face of the Dublin branch, who knows. Yeah, the hair, it's great. The thing is, like, I'm through that awkward stage now with long hair, so my fringe, when I have just washed it, because I just washed it, it's so soft. So I'm trying to brush it over to one side. It'll just come down, or I'll have one coming down. But I don't know. You know what? I love it, and it's something that I never thought I'd ever have again. That kind of annoying feeling where your hair's in your eyes. It's so awesome that I'm actually experiencing it again. It's so great. My hair is still it's strong. It's not falling out. So some people who contacted me saying it's all BS and you wait in 2 years and see what happens. Well, it's been 2 years, as I mentioned in the last video, and it just keeps getting better, keeps getting stronger, keeps getting thicker. It really gets, it does get thicker. So I'm really, really excited after the year. So that's pretty much it. Apart from the lockdown, we're all stuck in. Actually, not me. I'm an essential worker. Post office. So listen, thanks for contacting me. Let me refer you. I hope a lot more people are looking at this and contact me. I'm here to answer any questions as quickly as possible, usually, because I get all notifications on my phone the minute something comes in. Bang, I'm going to enter it back. So I have unless I'm in bed, I'm not going to post it. But I'm going to keep rambling here, so I'll just end the thing. I'll end the video. See, I don't do bloopers because I want you to know that it's real. So this is me running out of words. I'll just show you my hair before I go, right? So that's my hair, right? Like that. See? Like that. Now I'm gonna get that area done when it starts getting thinner. I'll go to the Hair Palace. So I have a habit of just pushing her over to the side for the time being. So when it gets longer, I'll probably do it kind of the fucking Van Helsing split or some shit like that. So yeah, except for, see this? If Hair Palace has something to do with getting rid of greys forever, come on that bus. So that's it. I ran out of words. I've nothing else to say. Thank you for letting me refer you. Please send the emails in. Trust me, it's the greatest service you'll ever get. It's going to change your life forever. And all the people who have done it that I've referred have always emailed me back saying thanks. You have no idea what your videos have done for me, blah blah blah. And thank you very much for saying that, because I was lost when I was looking for videos on a true video on what the process is like and what to go through. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to make this whole video. I'm going to make this whole documentary. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to show what people want to actually see. And that's me stumbling on a video. So I'm out. I think I've nothing else. So listen, it's 2 years, my 2-year anniversary of having my new hair. And I want to thank everybody. And I'll probably see you 6 months from now. We'll check in 6 months from now, okay? If I have anything else, any new news to happen, any new news. Gotta go. Take care and thank you again.